Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you 14 new woodworking tools from Milwaukee that are going to take your projects to the next level. From sanders to saws, routers to nailers, and more, we've got it all covered. Let's dive in. This Milwaukee M18 Fuel 5-inch random orbital sander is a game changer for any professional carpenter, remodeler, or general contractor looking to take their projects to the next level. With its powerful motor and advanced technology, it can handle even the toughest materials on site, delivering a fast and efficient sanding experience. The ergonomic design and low vibration make it comfortable to use for extended periods, reducing fatigue and strain on your hands and arms. The variable speed control allows you to tackle a wide range of materials with ease, from rough sanding to fine polishing. Whether you're working with wood, drywall, or metal, this sander has got you covered. Plus, the high-efficiency dust collection system ensures that your workspace stays clean and dust-free, making it a must-have for any serious contractor or woodworker. With its ability to deliver up to 95% dust collection and 12,000 OPM, this sander is a valuable addition to any tool arsenal. It's a powerful, efficient, and comfortable tool that will make your job easier and faster. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 7-1/4-inch rear handle circular saw is a remarkable tool that embodies power and efficiency, making it an essential companion for professional carpenters, remodelers, and general contractors. Designed with advanced cordless technology, this saw allows you to tackle the most demanding cutting tasks with ease, empowering you to enhance productivity on every job. With its powerful power-state brushless motor, you can achieve impressive cutting speeds of 6,300 RPM, ensuring that even the toughest materials yield to your expertise without slowing you down. The saw's intelligent RedLink Plus technology protects against overload and overheating, giving you the confidence to push the limits without fear. You'll appreciate the lightweight, compact design, allowing for comfortable, all-day use without unnecessary strain. The ability to make up to 700 cuts per charge with the M18 Red Lithium Forge HD 12.0 battery keeps you working efficiently. Thoughtful features such as positive bevel detents, LED work light, and rotational dust port enhance your experience, while the rugged magnesium construction ensures durability in the toughest conditions. This saw isn't just a tool. It's a reliable partner that helps you bring your vision to life, making every cut feel accomplished and satisfying. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw redefines what a miter saw can be for professional carpenters, remodelers, and general contractors. It harnesses the power of traditional corded saws while being remarkably up to 15% lighter, allowing you to carry it effortlessly around job sites. Imagine the freedom of completing up to 330 cuts on a single charge, freeing you from the constraints of cords and outlets while enhancing your productivity. Equipped with the revolutionary power-state brushless motor and RedLink Plus tool intelligence, this saw ensures consistent power and performance, putting the control back in your hands. The innovative shadow cut line LED light helps you see your cuts with clarity, increasing accuracy for every project. With features like an adjustable stainless steel detent plate and a cam-locking miter system, this tool makes precision cuts feel almost effortless. Easy carry side handles add to the convenience, making transportation simple. This miter saw is more than just a tool. It's a reliable partner that empowers you to bring your visions to life with grace and accuracy. With the Milwaukee M18 Fuel miter saw, you can embrace your craft and unleash your full potential on every job. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 8-1/4-inch table saw with OneKey is a game changer for professional carpenters, remodelers, and general contractors. It combines powerful, corded power in a portable design. It boasts an impressive 24.5-inch rip capacity and can tackle up to 600 linear feet of cutting on a single charge, making it an indispensable companion on any job site. Imagine the satisfaction of cutting through materials with the confidence that comes from the power-state brushless motor, delivering 6,300 RPM and unwavering performance under load. Designed for everyday use, the table saw features a rugged, all-metal frame for durability, while the rack and pinion fence system allows for swift and precise adjustments, ensuring that you can maintain accuracy in your work. The onboard storage for accessories, tool-free guard, and riving knife changes help you stay organized and efficient. The OneKey compatibility elevates your experience to new heights, offering integrated tool tracking and security. With the app, you can effortlessly monitor your tools' locations and manage their usage across multiple job sites, increasing accountability and preventing theft. The ability to remotely disable a lost or stolen tool not only protects your investment but also gives you peace of mind, allowing you to focus on what you do best, crafting exceptional work with confidence and security. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 3-inch Random Orbital Detail Sander is a remarkable tool designed to meet the needs of professional carpenters, remodelers, and general contractors. With its compact pad size, this sander effortlessly maneuvers into tight spaces and allows for delicate, controlled sanding when working on trim or railings, making every project a pleasure rather than a chore. You'll appreciate the tool's ability to remove material precisely while providing over 80% dust collection, ensuring your workspace remains clean and minimizing post-work cleanup. Its thoughtful ergonomic design means you can access hard-to-reach areas easily, reducing strain on your body during those long sanding sessions. The variable speed trigger and 4-speed settings from 10K to 4K give you total control, allowing you to adapt to various materials seamlessly. At just 2 pounds, you'll hardly notice the weight as it glides across surfaces with unmatched maneuverability, significantly reducing fatigue. The adjustable LED light bar brightens your workspace, ensuring you can see the details that matter most. With the optional sponge pad for intricate profiles and the pad saver for longevity, this sander becomes a trusted extension of your craftsmanship, helping you create beautiful, flawless finishes that leave a lasting impression. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Duplex Nailer is a groundbreaking tool that transforms the assembly of concrete formwork, allowing professionals to work with incredible efficiency and ease. Imagine effortlessly driving nails into wood formwork at an astonishing rate of up to 4 nails per second, liberating you from the repetitive strain of hammering. This nailer not only boosts productivity by a remarkable 7 times, but also drastically reduces muscle effort, making your job significantly less taxing. Powered by advanced nitrogen air spring technology and the dependable PowerState brushless motor, this nailer is engineered to deliver exceptional performance. You'll appreciate the thoughtful design features such as tool-free jam clearance and depth of drive adjustment, which minimize downtime and keep you focused on getting the job done. With compatibility for collated duplex nails in 2 sizes, you can choose the perfect fit for your projects, ensuring reliable results every time. When paired with a M18 Red Lithium 5.0 AH battery pack, the duplex nailer allows you to sync up to 800 nails on a single charge, empowering you to tackle even the most demanding tasks. This tool not only enhances your workflow, but it also elevates your craftsmanship, turning the arduous into the achievable with a sense of pride in every completed project. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Jigsaw is truly a game-changer for professional carpenters and remodelers, blending power and precision effortlessly in every cut. Imagine the confidence you'll feel as you achieve the fastest 12-volt blade speed under load, reaching 3,000 strokes per minute with its innovative PowerState brushless motor. The control it offers across various orientations allows you to tackle any project, whether you're cutting intricate curves or clean straight lines. Its compact size and ergonomic barrel grip design mean you can work tirelessly without experiencing fatigue or discomfort. The added benefits of the on and off LED light and dust blower ensure that your cut line remains visible, minimizing the frustration that often accompanies challenging cuts. With 5 orbital action levels and a variable speed dial, you can tailor the jigsaw's performance to the specific materials you're working with, granting you versatility in every task. The convenience of tool-less blade changes and built-in blade storage further elevates your experience, making the saw a true partner in your craft. Whether you're refining a masterpiece or making quick adjustments, the M18 Fuel Jigsaw empowers you to work with efficiency and artistry, leaving you with beautiful results and a profound sense of accomplishment in every project you complete. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1/2-inch router kit is a powerful ally for professional carpenters and remodelers, offering best-in-class cordless performance that will elevate your craft to new heights. Picture yourself effortlessly achieving the precision and clean cuts you strive for, thanks to the router's impressive 2.25 peak horsepower and advanced PowerState brushless motor, which minimizes bog-down under load. With the RedLink Plus intelligence, you can trust that the tool will protect itself from overload and overheating while ensuring optimal performance throughout your projects. Imagine working comfortably for longer durations, as the ergonomic body grip and overmold pommels reduce fatigue significantly. The M18 Red Lithium high-output XC 6.0 battery allows for remarkable productivity, providing over 225 linear feet of runtime per charge while tackling even the most challenging applications. The variable speed dial and depth adjustment controls give you the flexibility to create with a range of bits and materials, ensuring that every project reflects your skills and creativity. With features like dual LED lights to illuminate your workspace, a spindle lock for quick bit changes, and a precision plunge base that glides smoothly, this router kit makes it easier than ever to transform your vision into reality. Ultimately, the M18 Fuel router helps you work efficiently, turning your passion for woodworking into beautiful, tangible results. Imagine having the power to effortlessly rip through solid hardwoods, leaving your projects with a finish quality that you've been striving for. That's exactly what the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 6.5-inch plunge track saw delivers, thanks to its robust power-state brushless motor that churns out an impressive 5,600 RPM. The precision and control it provides make even the most challenging cuts seem manageable. And the RedLink Plus intelligence ensures that the tool stays protected from overload and overheating, allowing you to work worry-free. The portability and precision you demand from a plunge saw are perfectly balanced in this powerful tool, making it an indispensable asset on any job site. The variable speed dial allows you to tailor the cut to your specific application, and the smooth, pivoting plunge motion ensures that precision plunge cuts are always achievable. With the M18 Red Lithium high-output XC 6.0 battery providing extended runtime and remarkable durability, you can tackle even the most demanding projects with confidence. As you rip through solid hardwoods, knowing that this tool has your back, you'll experience an incredible sense of satisfaction and pride in your work. With the M18 Fuel 6.5-inch plunge track saw, precision and power are within your grasp, allowing you to unleash your full potential as a professional carpenter and remodeler. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 3-inch by 18-inch belt sander is designed for those who refuse to compromise on performance, delivering the power and torque that rivals larger 8A corded models while offering the freedom of cordless operation. You'll feel the thrill of faster material removal as you glide through projects, transforming rough surfaces into smooth, beautifully finished wood. Thanks to the innovative RedLink Plus intelligence, you never have to worry about overheating or overdischarge. This tool has your back, ensuring maximum performance under demanding conditions. Imagine adjusting the variable speed dial, allowing you to control the belt speed between 1350 SFM and 750 SFM, empowering you to tackle various applications with precision and finesse. Each project becomes a satisfying experience, as you have the flexibility to choose just the right removal rate for every unique task. The tool-free belt change lever means you can spend less time swapping out belts and more time creating beautiful pieces. This convenience minimizes downtime, so you can immerse yourself in your craft without interruptions. With the Milwaukee M18 Fuel belt sander in your hand, you can embrace the joy of woodworking, achieving exceptional results with ease and confidence. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel oscillating multitool is a true game-changer for anyone who thrives on precision and versatility in their work. Imagine being able to fine-tune the speed of your tool with a simple turn of the variable speed dial, giving you the freedom to adjust according to the needs of your application. This level of control helps you accomplish intricate tasks with confidence, all while the innovative auto-load feature allows you to begin your cuts gently, ensuring accuracy before smoothly transitioning to a powerful speed under load. In low-light situations, the 180-degree span LED light acts as your guiding beacon, illuminating your work area and allowing you to focus fully on your task, free from shadows or distractions. The thoughtfully designed oscillation angle of 4.2 degrees enables the fastest cutting, transforming even the toughest materials into manageable pieces with ease. You'll notice how the vibration dampening technology reduces tool vibration, providing comfort and stability during use, so you can work longer without fatigue. Whether you're on a remodeling project or tackling repairs, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel oscillating multi-tool becomes an indispensable ally, empowering you to create with passion and precision. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2-gallon compact quiet compressor is a symphony of innovation, designed to harmonize work and silence, transforming the often noisy world of job sites into a haven of productivity and tranquility. Its whisper-quiet operation of 68 dB brings a new level of serenity to your work, allowing you to focus on the tasks at hand, unencumbered by the cacophony of noise that once plagued your days. This masterpiece of engineering offers the perfect blend of performance and convenience, as it effortlessly stores and transports, thanks to its sleek, stackable design and compact profile. You'll feel a surge of energy and productivity as you tackle even the most daunting tasks, empowered by the 1,618 GA brad nails that your trusty compressor can drive per charge. Imagine being able to seamlessly swap batteries and continue working without interruption, as this compressor is compatible with all Milwaukee red lithium batteries, allowing you to switch packs with ease and keep your project momentum uninterrupted. With the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2-gallon compact quiet compressor by your side, every job becomes a breeze, and every day is a masterpiece waiting to be created. The Milwaukee M12 Brushless 2-inch planer is a truly transformative tool for the Finnish carpenter and remodeler, designed to elevate your craftsmanship to new heights. With its powerful brushless motor, this compact planer effortlessly handles both soft and hardwoods, giving you the confidence to create flawless finishes. Whether you are scribing or planing doors, imagine the satisfaction of removing up to 5/64 of an inch in a single pass, allowing you to move swiftly through your project while achieving professional results. The dual-sided shavings port enhances your work experience by letting you direct debris as you wish, streamlining your process and boosting your productivity. At just the right weight, this planer, equipped with a 2-inch wide shoe, becomes an extension of your hands, perfect for those common tasks that demand precision. With an impressive 14,500 RPMs and dual blades, you will marvel at the smooth surface finish that emerges from your efforts. The 21 depth settings empower you to make precise adjustments, while the lockable kickstand allows for convenient storage without disrupting your workflow. With the addition of a shavings collection attachment and universal hose adapter, you can maintain a tidy workspace, enhancing your focus on what truly matters, bringing your creative vision to life. This planer, with its built-in battery gauge, ensures you are always ready for action, making every project an exciting journey of craftsmanship. The Milwaukee M12 cordless palm nailer is a game-changer for anyone working in tight spaces, where every ounce of power makes a difference. With its robust 12-volt motor and impactful mechanism, this tool delivers an impressive 2.2 feet-pounds of blow energy at an incredible pace of 2,700 BPM, empowering you to drive nails with confidence and speed. Imagine working efficiently, even in challenging conditions, as this palm nailer transforms your productivity on the job. Designed for one-handed use, the industrial duty collet securely holds nails from 6D to 16D, giving you the freedom to maneuver in awkward positions without compromising control. The seamless integration of convenience and power makes each task feel rewarding, as you accomplish more in less time. The onboard fuel gauge keeps you informed of your battery life, allowing you to focus fully on your work rather than worrying about interruptions. In dark or cramped areas, the built-in LED light shines brightly, illuminating your work surfaces and guiding your every move. With the Milwaukee M12 cordless palm nailer in your toolbox, you'll experience the joy of tackling any project with ease, precision, and the comfort of knowing you have the right tool by your side.